Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Hyundai Palisade key battery. First, ensure you have a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. These are the only tools you will need for this simple process. Begin by locating the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then slide out the emergency key. This step provides access to the key fob's internal components. With the emergency key removed, you will see a small slot inside the key fob where the emergency key was. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry apart the two halves of the key fob. It should separate with minimal effort. Exercise caution to avoid damaging any of the delicate internal electronics or the plastic casing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old CR2032 battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. After inserting the new battery, carefully align the two halves of the key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its slot until it clicks into place. Test your key fob to ensure it is working correctly. You should now have a fully functional key. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.